How to roast a turkey with a few simple steps. First, start by preheating your oven or your pellet grill to 425 degrees. Grab a small bowl and we're going to combine the following ingredients. 2 cups of mayo and fresh chopped herbs such as parsley, thyme, oregano, and rosemary. Mix together real well. Oops, almost forgot the honey. Mix that together real well and set aside. Grab some paper towels and pat the turkey dry. We're gonna smother the turkey in the mix we just created. Then season with salt and pepper. Stuff the cavity with the leftover fresh herb sprigs. Roast the turkey for 30 minutes. Reduce the heat to 350 degrees and roast an additional 3 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 165. Let the turkey rest for at least 15 minutes so the juices can expand throughout the turkey. Slice and serve, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Happy holidays, y'all.